Hello everyone! How's everything? In today's lesson, we're going to talk about adjectives and prepositions. By the end of this lesson, you'll learn certain adjectives and their prepositions. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel. Now, let's get started. Do you know how to use adjectives with prepositions? Like interested in or good at. Now look at these examples to see how adjectives are used with prepositions. I'm interested in your project. I'm interested in your project. My school bag is similar to yours. My school bag is similar to yours. She's good at math. She's good at maths. He's worried about his final exam. He's worried about his final exam. Now, I'd like you to read the explanation to learn more. Some adjectives go with certain prepositions. There are no grammatical rules for which prepositions is used with which adjectives. So it's a good idea to try to learn them together. To help you do this, write new vocabularies in your notebook in a sentence or phrase. However, there are some patterns that can help you. Let's look at them first. Remember that a preposition is followed by a noun or a gerund, ing form. With at. We use at with adjectives like good at, bad at, brilliant at, amazing at, terrible at, and etc. To talk about skills and abilities. For example, he's really good at English. He's really good at English. English is a noun. So after good at, we use noun. My friend is amazing at the piano. My friend is amazing at the piano. The piano is a noun. Preposition at is followed by a noun. They're terrible at organizing anything. They're terrible at organizing anything. Organizing is a gerund, ing form. So after a preposition, we can use gerund, ing form. I'm not really good at drawing. I'm not really good at drawing. Drawing is a gerund. So a preposition is followed by a gerund. With about. We often use about with adjectives of feelings like angry about, excited about, happy about, sad about, nervous about, stressed about, worried about, etc. to explain what is causing that feeling. For example, I'm angry about the decision. I'm angry about the decision. He's nervous about the presentation. He's nervous about the presentation. She's excited about the new job. She's excited about the new job. They were worried about the exam. They were worried about the exam. Okay, so now let's talk about with of. However, sometimes we use of with feelings. For example, she's afraid of telling her mom. She's afraid of telling her mom. I'm frightened of having an accident. I'm frightened of having an accident. He's scared of flying. He's scared of flying. You should be proud of your progress. You should be proud of your progress. Alright, now let's talk about with to. We can use to show the connection between people or things. For example, she's married to the director. She is married to the director. I'm addicted to my phone. I'm addicted to my phone. I'm allergic to nuts. I'm allergic to nuts. It's similar to the old one. It's similar to the old one. Also use to talk about someone's behavior towards someone else. For example, they were really friendly to me. They were really friendly to me. Was he nice to you? Was he nice to you? He is always polite to everyone. He is always polite to everyone. She was really rude to the waitress. She was very rude to the waitress. Here are some other useful adjectives with prepositions. Let's talk about with for. For example, exercise is good for you. Exercise is good for you. Stress is bad for you. Stress is bad for you. The town is famous for its cheese. The town is famous for its cheese. I'm responsible for the financial side of the business. I'm responsible for the financial side of the business. Now let's talk about within. She's interested in the project. She's interested in the project. They want someone who's experienced in design. They want someone who's experienced in design. I didn't want to get involved in the argument. I didn't want to get involved in the argument. Alright, that's all for now. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.